Good day programmers, welcome back to our Java UI Suite tutorial series. In this video, I will show you the basic use of jComboBox in Java Swing. So first, what is jComboBox? jComboBox shows a pop-up menu that shows a list and the user can select an option from the specified list. jComboBox can be editable or read-only depending on the choice of the programmer. A jComboBox which lets the user choose one of several choices can have two very different forms. The default form is the uneditable combo box, which features a button and a drop-down list of values. The second form, called editable combo box, features a text field with a small button abutting it. So this is what we're gonna do. We'll create a form that contains a text field and a button that handles adding an item to the combo box. Another text field where we can put data that is related to our desired output, and a combo box where user can select its preferred choice among items shown in the component, and a submit button. Let's go into our Netbeans IDE. First of all, create a project that contains a JFrame form. Let's put all the components we need based from our design. In adding items to the combo box, we can have it defined in its property by editing the model values. Each row corresponds to one combo box item, or if you don't want it defined by its model property, you can add item by its code. Let's create an event that handles adding item to the combo box. Inside the event, to add an item to the combo box, we can use the add item method and pass the value where we get from the text field. Next, let's create an event that handles identifying the selected item on the combo box. Inside the event, we will concatenate the data we get from the text field to the selected item on the combo box. To get the item on the combo box, there are multiple methods we can use. We can use the getSelectedItem method that returns the item that is selected on the combo box. The getSelectedIndex returns the index of the selected item. In this case, we will use the getSelectedItem method because we want to get the selected item, not the index. Since the method returns an object, we will use the toString method so that we will get a return value of a string. So that's all for the jComboBox. See you in the next video. Please hit like and subscribe.